peace, mercy and blessing of God. Before we start the video, don't forget to leave like and comment, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to get you all new. Lenovo Z6 Pro was launched back in April, but is only now making its way outside of China. It comes with a well-rounded spec sheet featuring the Snapdragon 855, up to 12GB RAM and a quad camera array, all for a starting price of around €500. The phone made its way to our office, and we're getting ready to put it through the usual testing course, but before we do so, let's quickly go through its key features and see what you can expect. Starting off with the packaging, it's quite nice with a sleek matte box and a fabric-like look. The design of the Z6 Pro itself is fairly standard with a dual glass construction and metal frame. The back features a light refracting finish which shifts in color, depending on how lighting meets it. Our review unit comes with the green paint job, but there's a red version too. The Z6 Pro is built around a 6.39-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, which features a water drop notch for the 32-megapixel selfie camera. Going around the back, we have a quad camera array with a 48-megapixel f1.8 main sensor, alongside a 16-megapixel f2.2 ultrawide, 8-megapixel f2.4 telephoto, and a 2-megapixel f1.8 dedicated video cam. A TOF module sits beside the LED flash, too. Lenovo is betting big on the Z6 Pro's camera capabilities, but we'll see if it lives up to the hype in our full review. The Snapdragon 855 chipset is paired with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage, and there's also a version with 12GB RAM and 512GB storage. Either way, we expect to see solid performance here, just like past phones that came with this chipset. Running through everyday tasks in gaming on high settings should be a breeze. Moving on to the battery department, we have a 4000 mAh cell which supports 18-watt fast charging. Inside the box, Lenovo provides a 27-watt Type-C charging brick and a Type-C to Type-C cable. The software front is covered by ZUI 11, which runs on top of Android Pie. And in other news, earlier this month we came across a report which stated that Oppo was planning to launch the new Reno series this month, which would come to India first. That now got its official confirmation, as the company has confirmed it's unveiling the Reno2 series on August 28th. We are probably looking at multiple phones here, as the image posted by Oppo India's Twitter account says Reno2 series. The smartphones will come with a quad camera setup at the back aligned vertically in the center and will offer 20x zoom. The Reno2 series will also have a shark fin style selfie camera, which means we are looking at a notch-less display. The Reno2 series will be unveiled at an event in New Delhi, India on August 28th, but until then we may get to know more about it through leaks and official teasers. If you like the video, don't forget to leave like and comment, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to get you all new.